Centering the anchor point in After Effects is important, because it helps animations and transformations work correctly. It makes things like rotation and scaling look right, keeps your layers in the right place, and helps with effects and animations. It's a key step in making your videos look good. Hello everyone, welcome back to Rizat Graphics. In this short and quick After Effects tutorial, I am going to show you how to center the anchor point in the layer content. I will demonstrate 5 methods, so you can select any one of them to center the anchor point. So let's get started. I have already created a composition. Now, I am going to draw a shape. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. If I press the Shift key, I can constrain it to a perfect square. Additionally, if I press the spacebar, I can move the shape. Now, press the V key to select the Move tool. As you can see, our anchor point is at the center of the screen. So we have to move it to the square's center. Therefore, when I rotate the square, you will notice that the shape is rotating using the anchor point as its reference. You may have noticed that I consistently use this anchor point mover tool. If I click on the center button, our anchor point will be positioned at the center of the square. Subsequently, when I rotate the square again, it will rotate perfectly. Let me undo this, and then show me the second method. Right-click on the shape layer, go to Transform, and select Center Anchor Point in Layer Content. You can also center the anchor point by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Home simultaneously. Keep the shape layer selected, then hold the Ctrl key on the keyboard, and double-click the Pan Behind tool. This action will automatically center our anchor point. Now, let's explore another method. Keep the shape layer selected and select the Pan Behind Anchor tool from the toolbar. Ensure that snapping is enabled. If I click on the anchor point, I can place it anywhere I want. The anchor point is the point around which a layer rotates. If you want a layer to rotate around a specific point, you can adjust its anchor point accordingly. If I place the anchor point at the center of a square layer and then rotate the square, it will rotate around its own center. Let me show you the final method. Go to the Edit menu, then Preferences, and General. Check the box labeled Center Anchor Point in New Shape Layers. Then click OK. If you create a shape layer afterward, After Effects will automatically position the anchor point in the center. Why is it important to center the anchor point in After Effects? In simple terms, the anchor point in After Effects is like a center point for objects. It's where things rotate, resize, and move from. Let me show you how to center the anchor point for the text. Unfortunately, you can't easily center the anchor point for text in After Effects. You can reset it to the center using Ctrl or SIMD on Mac, Alt, and Home. You can also center the anchor point by selecting the shape layer, then holding the Ctrl key or Command key on Mac, and double-clicking the Pan Behind tool. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know in the comment section which method you prefer. If you have any questions or if anything is unclear, feel free to leave a comment, and I will respond as soon as possible. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more easy and useful tutorials. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and good luck.